What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back like a butt crack. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and by the end of this video, if you like what you see, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created 2 space buns on my natural hair. To be completely honest, either this style was gonna come out bad or it was gonna come out good, and it came out beautiful. So that lets me know that you shouldn't knock anything until you try it. If you guys want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so I'm starting off on an old twist and curl that I did about 2 or 3 days ago. If you guys want to see that video, I'll have it linked in the cards above. And I'm not going to apply any products to my hair because it's already moisturized. And I'm just wetting my edges with some water because it's old edge control in my hair that made my hair hard. So I was just trying to soften it up before I started. And now I'm just creating a side part for this look. You could create a middle part if you would like, but I prefer a side part because I got a big forehead. So and now, as you guys can see, I just parted my hair down the middle, and now I'm gonna go in with this Wetline Xtreme Gel. But first, I'm gonna apply some water. I'm not trying to get it soaking wet because I don't want my hair to mildew while it's in that scrunchie. And yeah, I'm just trying to get it a little damp. And then I go in with this is a soft bristle brush. I go back and forth between that one and a hard brush, and I use the hard brush to get out like any tangles. And now I'm just applying a gel to the roots of my hair. Alright, and now I'm just taking this ouchless scrunchie and I'm gonna wrap that around my hair and move on to the next section. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Spray it with water just to get it a little bit damp. I didn't show you guys, but I did go in with my brush again, and now I'm going back in with that gel. And now I'm going in with my pick. I'm not picking all the way through my hair. I'm just picking enough to get the knots out of my roots so my hair can be smooth. And now, as you can see, I went in with my hard bristle brush and I'm just smoothing my hair. Alright, now I'm taking that scrunchie and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to secure it and then move on to the next section. And I'm going to let you guys watch, and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm also using my Style Factor Edge Booster Gel as well. I'm not using too much of this because the hold on this is really strong. So I'm just using a little bit on mainly like the edges of my hair just to get it as slick as possible. Alright you guys, so I wrapped my hair 2 times in this video. This is the first time I'm just wrapping my hair just to lay it down a little bit. My hair, it doesn't like to lay down. I have a hard time with laying it down when I'm doing sleek styles, so I have to lay a scarf on before I get to doing my edges, like actually styling my edges. So I lay it down for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, I went in with the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, and I'm just using it on my edges. And I got this little comb slash brush from my local beauty supply store if y'all wanted to know. Alright, and now I'm going to lay my hair down one more time to go to bed, and this is the next morning. And as you can see, my hair is really slick. It's really laid. My edges are laid. Alright, now I'm going to take my that Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, and I'm just going to use a little bit on my sideburns. And that's the only place I applied it. Okay, you can rock this style with you can do 2 puffs instead of 2 buns if you would like. If you're not really a bun girl and you like puffs, you can just do the 2 puffs. And as you can see, I just took my pick and I went in and I'm fluffing my hair out just to get more volume. And there you have it. Now, if you're a girl that doesn't really like to do puffs but like buns more, then that's what I'm creating now. All I did was just twist my hair, and then when I got to the ends, I wrapped it around, and then I bobby pinned it with a small bobby pin, as you can see. Alright you guys, so this is the finished product. A cute, simple, easy hairstyle to achieve and to rock for the summer. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you go down below and click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.